Hello everybody, welcome to the ETABS and SAFE course. We have defined in the last lecture the loads, gravity loads on the slab. Now in this lecture we want to define the loads on beams. Usually we put the walls, masonry walls on the beams. So these walls we want to modeling their load on the beams. We go to our PowerPoint. We show loads on beams. Wall with width equal to 20 centimeter create a load on the beams equal to 12 kilonewton per meter. Wall with 15 centimeter create a load equal to 9 kilonewton per meter. Wall with 10 centimeter it create a loads with 6 kilonewton per meter. So we want to assume that all walls and our project is with width equal to 10 centimeters. So the loads on the beams equal to 6 kilonewton per meter. We go to the ETABS and we go to select object type. We want to define put these loads on the beams. We select all the beams, then we go to assign shell loads because we want to put this load on the beam. So go to frame loads, then distributed. Walls are dead load, so we put here 6 kilonewton per meter and we press OK. So now we put the loads of the walls on the beams. We press here show and deformed shape to go to the standard view. And thank you for listening. We will continue our work in the next lecture.